Hi, this is Paul Wettigan from KLM Builders. Wait till you see this amazing kitchen that I'm about to show you today. Not only was this kitchen totally outdated, we made some beautiful upgrades. Let me show you what we did. This customer chose for their kitchen cabinetry around the perimeter of their kitchen a Mauser Tahoe door with maple wood, white paint, plywood construction, full overlay. She changed her uppers to 48 inches, and we did a two-piece crown around the top of the cabinets. A couple details I want to point out about the perimeter cabinets. We did a beautiful under cabinet lighting. We added LED under here. We also added additional LED in all the upper cabinets to get that really nice effect for those upper cabinets. We also added this coffee garage, which is beautiful to keep your appliances behind the beautiful doors of a Mauser cabinet. We also have self-closed doors and drawers for this project. All these cabinets, these Mauser cabinets, have 3/4 inch plywood boxes, so they're not the standard construction of normal cabinets. Also, to maximize the space, we added a few inches at the end of the perimeter run. We added an additional 6 inches for some pans to this 36 inch, what they call a Super Susan, that spins all the way around independently, top and bottom, to really maximize the space we had in this kitchen. And this was the pantry area that we added these additional full depth pull-outs. These are adjustable to adjust the rollouts for any height, so you can really maximize your space. For the island, she actually chose the same Mauser cabinets. She chose a bedrock stain instead of the white as she chose on the perimeter cabinet. Really beautiful stain color. We added the 25 inch wine fridge. We did relocate. Her previous microwave was over her 30 inch hood and relocated into a microwave drawer for her. So she has her microwave down low. We added a beautiful countertop, a Cambria Torquay countertop. Not only did we do a countertop, we added an upgrade and did a beautiful waterfall with an extended 12 inch for seating with a beautiful panel and furniture base for the base of the cabinet to really complete the look and accent the color of the new floor we also installed. Okay, I don't want to screw this up, but let me tell you what this beautiful backsplash is. A beautiful marble. It's Abascato Veneto white picket honed marble, and it's just words can't explain the beautiful color in this tile. She added these marble covers to really make it look like these outlets are hidden in the marble. We also added a nice ledge in quartz as well. This customer chose this beautiful Moen Touch faucet here along with this Kohler Whitehaven farm sink. We add the additional grills just to protect the sink. This customer previously had, our standard 30 inch oven. We converted to a 36 inch Wolf, so we made a 42 inch hood, 600 CFM exhaust hood, and we had to relocate the exhaust, but it really accents this beautiful kitchen. Here is that beverage area that I mentioned before with the wine rack and the beautiful Cambria Torquay countertop. We also put that same product on the backsplash to really accent this beautiful showcase cabinet here. Also in the layout, the other thing that we moved over a little bit, the fridge was over here close to the side here, and what we wanted to do is get it farther away from the switches. So we moved the fridge over a few inches and just added this full height pantry just to utilize the space from top to bottom. Just off the kitchen is their laundry room. And right here in their laundry room, this area here was a closet that was closed off, hard to get to. What we did is we took out all the walls, put these beautiful countryside Timberly white ice cabinets in here, pantries, a boot bench with the beautiful Cambria Tarkay quartz top. You can hang your stuff here. You can sit and put your shoes here. You have plenty of actual storage you can use. We also changed the old style plain utility sink to a sink box with a Sterling laundry sink and the Moen faucet. We added these cabinets up here to add additional space in this laundry area. We added some additional lighting. We added some new LED 6-inch cans in the kitchen, the eating area, the hallway, and the front sitting space. In addition to the kitchen on this project, the customer wanted us to add some flooring to the first floor. Not only did he want us to add some flooring, they had 2 pillars here. They had a pillar on this base going to the ceiling, and they had a pillar on this corner down here going to the ceiling. This pillar here actually had a heat duct, a cold air return, which we relocated into the wall. We took that pillar out to open up this space. We took this pillar out and added that beautiful Cambria Tarkay quartz that I keep mentioning. Not only did we do that, we added this Mannington restoration flooring. The color on this flooring is oat, but we also carried that kitchen crown throughout this area, all the way at the top, added these can lights to really make this space beautiful. So if you really like what you see at this project, we can do any project like this or any size. Give us a call at KLM Builders.